Hello dears, this video is about solving the assignment question of Statistical Psychology MPC 006 of IGNOU 2024. The question is in section C, question number 8, finding the value of chi. Look at the question. There are two items, junior manager and senior manager. For each item, two variables. That means the question has two columns and two rows. Let's see how to solve it. The step 1 is creating the table of observed value O. This is done as, look at the question. The first row of the question is written as first column and second row is written as the second column. After that, find the total of each rows and columns. The second step is the formation of the table of expected value E. E value is finding from the table of observed value. Its calculation is total of first row into total of first column divided by total, which is the first value of the first column. That is first row total 22 into first column total 22 divided by total 56. The answer is 8.64, which is the first value of the first column of the expected value table. The second value of the first column is calculated as 34 into 22 divided by 56, which is 13.35. The first value of the second column is calculated as 22 into 34 divided by 56, which is equal to 13.35. Similarly, the second value of the second column is calculated as 34 into 34 divided by 56, which is 20.64. Step 3 is the calculation of chi-square, which is equal to sigma O minus E square divided by E. Here also we have to form a table. Its first column is observed value. It is obtained from the question itself. The first row and second row continuously write in column manner. The second column is the value of the expected value, which you have already calculated. This also filled as continuously first row followed by the second row in column manner. Third column is the difference between observed value and expected value. Fourth column is its square and fifth column is the square value divided by expected value. And finally, we find the sum of the fifth column and we get the value of chi-square. Next step is the testing the null hypothesis. For that, degree of freedom we have to calculate it, which is equal to number of row minus 1 into number of column minus 1. Here row and columns are 2, therefore df is equal to 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. This is the table of chi-square value already calculated. The chi-square value at a degree of freedom 1 at 0.05 level and 0.01 level are 3.84 and 6.635 respectively, which are greater than the calculated value 0.5766. Therefore, the null hypothesis H cannot be rejected in this calculation. Calculated value is less than the table value.